So question number 17 starts the verbal ability segment for us, and the very first question that we are asked to deal with is a parajumble. So one thing that I see very clearly is that there is a sentence that talks about volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and then there are these sentences that use the acronym. So it's actually abundantly clear that one needs to come before 3 as well as 4. Now let us see if we find some connection. So 2 says their research. So scientists, 2 should also come after 1. So 1 is our de facto start. What else do we do? So I see 3 and 4 both have VOCs. Let us check them. 4th says the team discovered. So once again, we're talking about the scientists. So they discovered how plants interpret these VOCs, prompting a defensive response. Okay, and 3, using innovative equipment and imaging techniques, they identified the specific VOCs responsible and the cells within plants that first react. So you notice if I compare 3 and 4, 4 is general. 4 says how plants react to VOCs. 3 says how a specific VOC leads to trigger within a specific cell of that plant. So because 3 is adding more detail to 4, we need to have 3 coming after 4. Okay, so that settles it. Where do we put in 2? So far my mind says that it can be 1, 2, 4, 3 or 1, 4, 3, 2. But when I look at 1, 2, 4, 3, we have a problem. The problem is 2 is talking about resilience, whereas the other 3 sentences are not talking about resilience. They're just talking about communication mechanism. So this introduces a new thought. If you are bringing in a new thought and then there are these 3 sentences that have the same thought, it is better to put it before or after. So 2 cannot come before, it has to be put after 1 after all, and therefore I would put it at the end, making 1, 4, 3, 2 as the best sequence for this particular parajumble. So 1, 4, 3 and 2 for question number 17.